Hey you guys, today I'll be showing y'all how I clean up my eyebrows. After a week ago I just got it waxed and the hairs are growing back, and this is how I clean it up at home. I don't even need to go get it waxed. I could do it myself, but you know.
We can't go up no more. Let's touch the sky. We ain't got no limits, no limitations.
I have very thin eyebrows and I would not want it any thinner than that. So I just like to arch it more than just taking hair out.
Let's get to ride. We can go way up. Let's get to ride. Let's go high, yeah. Let's get to ride. Let's go high, yeah. Let's get to ride. Let's get you know and I know. We gotta let go.
Just apply it as if you was applying concealer around your eyebrows. It's that simple.
No limitations. He's got a lot to offer. We got a lot to learn. Let's get you right. We can go way up. Let's get you right. Let's go high, yeah. Let's get you right. Let's go high, yeah. Let's get you right. Let's get you. You know and I know. We gotta let go. You cannot go up if you're still holding on. Let's go way up. Let's go way up. Let's go higher. We can't go up no more. Let's touch the sky. We ain't got no limits, no limitations. 'Cause he's got a lot to offer.